don't know how to do it.
Just like do random dances. I mean, you're doing great.
Are you videotaping me?
Yeah. You have to do. You have to do a whole song. So do all kinds of dances.
Dude, I can't do this.
Me neither. So that's why I'm making you do it.
Better not be on YouTube.
Well, if you make a video of me, then it's going on YouTube too. So.
I don't know how to dance.
It's okay. Flip some hair. Fix up my hair again.
Okay, can we be done?